everyone, Derek from CUES Incorporated in Amherst, New Hampshire. I want to talk to you about one of our customers' vehicles that they brought to us. This is actually kind of a common problem, unfortunately, when a boom is being transported or driven down the road in some way, shape, or form, and it makes contact with a bridge or a cable or anything that is too low for the equipment. This particular piece of equipment, the skidder, was being delivered on a lowboy trailer, and it made contact with an overhead cable and actually ripped the cable. Luckily it didn't take down any of the poles with it, but it ripped the cable by contacting the basket. In turn, it put a abnormal stress on the boom, and so what we're doing is we're going to get with Terex engineers, and we're going to evaluate what we need to do, whether it needs to be replacing a certain boom or replacing a certain pin or a bushing, and we're going to take it apart and evaluate it ourselves. This can be and will be an in-depth process, and it needs to be taken seriously, because at the end of this truck has to function as if it just came out of the factory. So we do take the time, we do have the expertise, and we have the resources to be able to do these particular jobs correctly. Like I said, this does happen way often than we think, and this will probably be the 6th boom in my career that I've had to deal with hitting anything of low height. So stay tuned for more videos. We're going to be very detailed as far as what we take apart, what we do, and we're going to document that to show our viewers the capabilities that we have, and also if they ever experience the same similar situation, that they know what to do, or they can actually call us and ask for advice if that's the case. Thanks for watching.